Hey friends, welcome back. I'm here in Delhi, in India, and behind me is the Red Fort. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna go in. I'm actually walking away from this place. I wanted just to see it outside, and that's it, really. Let's make a quick review about it actually. There it is from the outside. Absolutely so many people taking photos. Everywhere, locals and tourists. There's a playground there too, but I do want to exit this place and head this way. Today's video, I'm not sure what it is about, but for sure we're gonna go out, explore, wander and get lost. So let's get out of this madness right now and continue this journey. I'm gonna cross the road here. The Red Fort is just there. We're gonna cross in this madness. We'll make it happen. So much traffic. Oh my God. You just like, you gotta just keep moving, like, you know, and point the hand and keep walking. And oh my God, how did we survive this? What is this here though? I didn't know this existed. Well, let's go and check it out. What's this here like? The Red Fort is just there. You probably can see it. And I honestly did not know that this thing here, but we're gonna have a look. There are those temples. Jain Sathitya Sadan. Oh yeah, I am so glad I started this video because I wasn't sure, but now it's good. It's just like the way how it is in India, I guess. Like, you gotta just keep going with it. So there are two temples next to each other. And I see another beautiful building in the distance. I'm gonna go and check it out as well. We're gonna walk this street. And you get to see like a lot of the bicycle tuk-tuk, or should I say the tricycles here. So crowded, the street actually. Well, I shouldn't be saying this. It's pretty much crowded everywhere. Huh? Old Delhi.
Yes.
This is Old Delhi.
Spice market.
Spice market.
Spice market, bedding market, silk market, silver market, old houses, old tower, everything too.
Oh, very nice.
You sit.
I sit.
Yes.
Kidna.
I do that. No problem.
No, I don't like that. This is the one thing I really don't like. When they say that to me, I hate it.
Money not expensive.
10 rupee. That's it.
10 rupees.
It's what I like.
10 rupees beggar man.
It's what I like. No, I don't want. I want to walk. Thank you, brother. That's random. Oh, stop. Where am I gonna go? There's so much happening over there. Oh, I see. You know what? I see something that I want to buy. Let me see if this is what I think it is. Oh, actually, there's something here too. What the hell is this? Hello. What is this? Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Yeah? How much is it?
20, 30.
20?
2 size.
Ah, 2 size. Ah. Give me 20, please. Let's give this a try. I was actually gonna go over there to grab some juice, but well, get ice cream instead. It is quite hot. Give it a taste test. Like, what is he doing? Like, they're putting it on here. They're frozen. Where is he putting it there? Thank you. Let's see. What is he doing here? Ah, it's probably like a warm water. Okay, to melt them down. Well, here it is. Let's give it a taste test. It's gonna be good anyway. Oh man, that is actually amazing. You know, I know what they put in it. I can taste it. the taste of the condensed milk. If you do baking and all that, you'd understand what I'm talking about. There's a strong flavor of the condensed milk in it, and it's so damn good. That is a great idea, actually. I love it. Hello. How are you? Are you police?
Civil defense.
Huh? Oh, civil defense. Ah, nice. Oh, very nice. I like your suits. Very nice. Yeah, I like the suits. Yeah, the clothes. You look better than me.
Cold season.
This is old and this is new.
Winters. This is winter dress.
Winter dress.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Well, we learned something new. This is winter and this is summer. Thank you. Dhanyabad. I love it. Very nice, guys. Well, I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna continue on a tour. This place is amazing. You know, I just finished the ice cream and I just realized that it is the stick that they put it in it is made of bamboo. You know, obviously disposable. Genius. Love it. Anyway, the architecture is incredible as well. Here, look how old this is. And as the guy at the tricycle at the very beginning, he was saying that this is old Delhi. Wow. And then you get like a new building here, but this is pretty much boring for us. Clothes shops. He's selling the what is it called? Those candy. Oh, I forgot the name of it. It's like you see them on a stick. They have them like on a stick. Usually in like in bazaars, markets. We've seen them a lot in pretty much every country in the world. Every country in the world makes this, actually. Central Baptist Church, that's what the sign says here. So there's a church there. And at the very beginning of the street there was also temples. And I do believe that there are Hindu temples. And also I came all the way from like, so if you watch like the previous video, I was like in Raggat, or what was it called? I forgot. Oh my god, I'm so tired as well, you know. I've been exploring all since the early morning. Well, not early, 9, 10. And before that I was in a Muslim area as well. So like a combination of pretty much all religions are here. Hello. How are you? Yeah? What are you doing? It's random. Yeah? Well, I walk. Helicopter? This is not a helicopter, man. He's saying helicopter. No, I'm okay. I walk.
Spice market, jewelry market, Kinari Bazaar, Tariba Kala.
Yeah, I walk.
Clothing market, Kenaram. Yes, ke takkar pe jata hai ye.
I understand.
Market.
I understand.
Yes,
I walk.
walking pura.
I just want to walk. ठीक है? Don't leave me hanging, man. No, he doesn't do that. Here. Acha. He left me hanging.
Camera price.
Huh?
Camera.
It's a camera, yeah.
कितने का है? How many price?
How much? Oh, I don't know. It's a gift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. बस उसका पता करना.
Oh man, it's so random. Love it. And this is actually the building what I was talking. And this is the building I was talking about here. In the far distance I saw it. Like gold domes, but let me see if, well, it says free entrance here. What is this? Open. I see a sign that says open, but you're going in from there. No, I'm not doing that. Let me check from here. It looks like a temple actually. Gurdwara Sisjanj Sahib, Delhi. So it is actually, yeah, it is a temple. Yep. Yeah, interesting. But I've entered so many of those temples at this point that, and there's gonna be many more to come as well. But my God, it's so crowded. Yeah, very crowded. And it's the same actually. This is more or less similar to the Golden Temple in Amritsar, the one I attended with Prince as well. I just noticed from inside, yeah, 100%, fairly the same. Let me check what's here. Also there is like a, I guess like a monument, you know. And you see these guys here are Sikh, and they are like a very religious type of Sikh. But also like the way how they are, I learned that from Prince as well. You can see them, like some of them are carrying like a small sword or a knife, or like actually a long sword. That's like they are, I think they are trying to, I think they are like apprentices to become gurus. I think if I learned that, or if I heard that correctly from Prince or other people that I'm meeting, and they're explaining that to me as well. But it's interesting. Look at this architecture here. So like you see the Golden Temple or the domes there. Just walked a little bit. Very nice architecture. So raw here. Right, I have an idea to go into that there. Let's go to some of the alleys, some of the madness, and explore. She was so cute. She was looking at me and smiling. Very, very interesting. Oh man. There's no like this. People don't sleep here. Look at that. So like the main street that I came from is just behind this building. And we walk, oh my God, there's so much food. The smell is amazing. Look at the crowd. This must be a really good restaurant, but I'm completely full. And I'm also meeting Prince later on for dinner. So I'm saving myself for that. Right, I know if I go this way and right again, I'm gonna get to the main street. And this way, I mean, we could, damn it, let's do this. Let's get lost. It's the whole principle of everything, you know. That's what traveling is, but the movement here is like restricted, you know. Gotta look at the camera, look everywhere, look at the floor, the ground. Something is dirty, something not, you know. There's holes, potholes, water, pee, poo. What's here like? But this is a dead end, would it? Would it be a dead end? Look at that, like the buildings are incredible. Let's go in. What the hell? Hello! Look at those buildings, like, oh my God. Jewelry, handcrafts, and more. There is so much hidden gems here. Hello! Look at how old this door is. It looks like there are people inside, but I'm not sure why it says temple building. And yeah, I knew this is like, I knew it's a dead end. But it's just incredible how like just from the busy street that I was at, walking into the alleys, it's still busy but narrow alleys, and then I like the moment now I can just keep doing this like for a whole continuous shot and show you the moment I arrived there, the noise, the chaos, the busyness, the traffic. I love it. Here, have a look. So we're walking this way and we exit. Hello. And back again into the traffic, the chaos, the noise. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. Like, oh, there's something here too. I don't know what to do. Like, it's just the way how it is. But it's not my kind of thing. This is like women dresses for weddings. I've seen it, and apparently they told me like it's the season in India to get married. I would love to crash a wedding. Oh my god, 100%. I'd love to. But what I want to do is get back into the main street. I know just the way to do it. The map is actually in my mind. The way how I walk, I envision that. I've said that before, I think in Iran video. I think when I was in Yazd, if I remember correctly. Anyway, let's get back into the main street and we're gonna put an end to this video. So I am still at the market. I'm making my way into the main street, but just came across these monkeys here. Look at them on the electricity wire. Oh my god. Nuts. It is chilled. Because he's got food. so he's just like he's got all the vegetables here. They're trying to climb down to get some of the fruit. This is only in India. I love it. Anyway, this is actually nice. I like it. But I'm not gonna get back to the main street and end this video because it's long enough. If you have made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps with the algorithms, of course. And as always, see you on the next one.